Chickens, today I show you how to relieve the symptoms of sciatica with 3 simple tips, with 3 steps that you can do at home on your own without any help. Let's get to it. Welcome one more day, one more week to Fisiolution, your physiotherapy, health and wellness channel. And let's see if it sounds familiar. Pain, flex a little bit. If you are currently experiencing pain in your back, buttock and down your leg, chances are that you are suffering from sciatica. The good news is that I am fully committed to assisting you in finding relief and regaining your independence at home without the need for external help. To achieve this, we will be approaching self-treatment in 3 distinct phases. The initial phase will involve the use of a highly effective cream that enhances the effectiveness of exercises designed specifically to alleviate sciatica symptoms. This particular cream is incredibly popular and has been proven to provide substantial relief and a general sense of well-being. Its potent menthol content works wonders. Moving on to the second phase, we will be incorporating the use of a massage gun for self-massage purposes. These massage guns are widely available and incredibly easy to obtain. By utilizing this tool, we can further aid in reducing any discomfort you may be experiencing. Lastly, we will focus on 2 pivotal exercises that should be performed consistently whenever you are dealing with sciatica, regardless of the source or diagnosis. These exercises have proven to be highly beneficial in managing this condition effectively. Now, let us delve into a more detailed discussion regarding the specific areas impacted by this condition. The trochanter, a small bone, is involved, as well as the pyramidal muscle that extends from the trochanter to the sacral scale. It is possible that this particular muscle may be irritated and causing discomfort, leading to the involvement of the sciatic nerve either through its passage or underneath it. By following these steps through the different phases, our aim is to provide you with the necessary tools and knowledge to effectively manage sciatica symptoms and significantly improve your overall well-being. Sometimes, the muscle in question travels directly above it, while in other instances, it goes straight across. Regardless of the method, if this specific muscle becomes irritated, it can lead to discomfort and cause pain down the leg, alright? This particular issue is what we will be addressing, and our approach will involve using a preparatory cream before initiating the exercises. Let's tidy things up and get started. Bam! Clean it up nicely. Now, we shall commence the application of the cream, okay? As I previously mentioned, we will apply it to the affected area, focusing on the source of the problem. These creams can be used as frequently as every 4 hours as necessary. Since there is no established dosage, you have the freedom to use it without any restrictions. Moving on, our next step is to massage the gluteal area for a duration of 3 minutes, followed by massaging the hamstring area for the same length of time. Subsequently, gently spread and rub the cream with the palm of your hand. Additionally, we will utilize our hands to mobilize the muscles, specifically employing our thumbs to enhance blood circulation, flexibility, and densification of the area. Is that clear? This cream contains menthol, which provides a remarkable sensation of relief and overall well-being. Combine it with the exercises we will perform, it will help alleviate the pain we are currently experiencing. With these 3 minutes of gluteal massage, we're going to do a little bit of hamstring massage. Next phase of the preparation, we are going to massage the area where we have the irradiation, okay? So that those muscles will start to activate a little bit through the massage therapy as well, as we sit down slowly. That's it. We favor here a little bit. Perfect. And we are going to do the following. We are going to take the bottle. You are going to pour a little bit of cream in your hand, slowly, that's it. And you are going to apply it from the ischium to where the knee ends. You apply it slowly, that's it, and now with your hand in the tube, up and down, that's it. You've got it nice and tight. Our aim is to stimulate the affected area, and the cream assists us in providing that soothing massage. It acts as an enhancer, aiding in the relief of our pyramidal syndrome, which manifests as sciatica. Using it for 2 to 3 minutes will effectively address the irradiation in that region and help to alleviate the symptoms associated with sciatica. We will begin by using a gentle, slow massage technique to alleviate the pain in the area. This will involve applying minimal pressure and focusing on preparing the area and relieving any mechanisms that cause pain. We will then proceed to incorporate stretching exercises into the treatment. By combining massage and targeted exercises, we can effectively address and reduce the discomfort experienced. Second phase, to alleviate our symptoms of sciatica, we are going to give it with a self-massage with a pistolita. You can easily find a massage pistol in various locations. Here are some models that I highly recommend and think you'll love. Follow the link to check them out. We support you no matter what. Flex a little bit to give stability to the legs. We are going to do 3 poses, a gluteal zone. A gluteal zone is very big, very powerful. We are going to put it at half intensity, and you can raise or lower the frequency depending on how comfortable you feel. It never has to hurt. The gluteal area includes from the iliac crests, basically, to this structure. Without getting into the sacrum, we are going to make 5-minute passes over the entire gluteal area. The entire gluteal area. The trochanter is here. We won't have to go beyond this bone, and we won't have to reach the sacral scale either. We will go making some lines totally longitudinal from top to bottom. Longitudinal lines from top to bottom. Let's see how we do it. Let's put our little hand. I'll guide you a little bit. The furthest back you're going to go is here, and the lowest is going to be here. A line down the middle, and another line more lateral, but never without getting into this bone that you see here. It is forbidden to pass from here, okay? As you can see, we continue slowly, soft rhythm, slow, without hurting ourselves, trying to look for the one we can't. Nothing happens. We lose a little energy and nothing happens. 3 or 5 minutes for the gluteal region. Now we are going to do the pyramidal sacral scale. Trochanter, we are going to do some lines from left to right, okay? To the right, okay? We change our direction to target the piriformis muscle, which will greatly benefit our workout. Remember guys, this muscle tends to become irritated and can cause complications for the sciatic muscle, leading to discomfort, as I mentioned earlier. Let's proceed with the portable device for a more effective session. And we go down. From here, I'll guide you. Is it just that line to the sacrum? That's all there is, correct? Come on, I'm going to put your little hands like this so you don't get out of my way. That's it there. Let's go up, 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 go up. That's it, my hand, that's it. Come on, go down. Learning entails, well, mistakes. That's my finger, that's it. You're doing it. Perfect, great. A little bit more perpendicular, 2-3 minutes. I wouldn't do more. And now we're going to do the hamstring phase. Let's go for it. We're going to get on our back. We're going to sit down. We're going to pull up a little bit, and we're going to do the hamstring phase. Let's go for it. Look guys, this is a simple. It's important to find a comfortable position for your work. Sitting is often a very good position. As I mentioned before, set the intensity to 1 and start working from here. This way you'll be able to see it clearly. Let's begin by flexing the leg and gradually go down until we reach the knee. And where the little bone comes out, which is the ischium, okay? So, we're going to take the little pistol and we're going to work. Let's observe how we adjust ourselves. That would be an ideal situation, all right? If you are currently seated, you can slightly shift your leg inward to play around with it, but only enough for you to grasp the technique better. This would be sufficient. We will once again run through the entire irradiation process for an additional 5 minutes, okay? So, let's give it a try, because by doing so, we are already minimizing the effects of irradiation. In order to alleviate your sciatica, let's move on to the third stage, which involves performing some therapeutic exercises. We will begin with a gluteal muscle stretch by bringing our left knee towards our left shoulder. This particular stretch is effective in targeting the vertical branches of the gluteus. We should aim to hold this position for 2 sets of 40 seconds, ensuring that we maintain a gentle stretch without causing any discomfort. For the next pose, let's bring our left knee towards our right shoulder, which introduces an oblique incline. By doing so, we will shift the focus away from solely vertical fibers and engage more of the vertical oblique fibers. By performing this exercise, we can identify any tension points and work towards releasing them. Lastly, we're going to lead with our hand. To stabilize our left hand and right hand, we need to take the left knee and position it at a 90-degree angle. You can clearly see that it is almost perfectly 90 degrees. Once in this position, we can then bring the knee to the other side, which will stretch the horizontal fibers of the back of the hip. This exercise should be done for 2 sets of 40 seconds each. Then 2 more little things that we're going to do that are very good for you that you have to do when you have sciatica. Bend the remaining leg with the left foot atop the right knee, preserving the original posture. To alleviate the discomfort caused by sciatica, we will perform a series of therapeutic exercises. First, we apply a slight pressure with one hand to stabilize the left ankle, while using the other hand to push down on the knee. This helps provide tension and stability. Next, we will do a jumbo pump and bend, completing at least 2 sets of 10 repetitions. This exercise targets the piriformis and gluteus muscles, engaging them and promoting flexibility. Prior to starting these exercises, our cream and massage gun have already helped prepare the muscles for the workout. To further stretch and release tension in the posterior gluteal and pyramidal area, we will focus on an important stretch. This involves holding onto the right knee with both hands and pulling gently. This specific stretch targets the area where the piriformis syndrome, a common cause of sciatica, typically occurs. It is crucial to hold this stretch for at least 40 seconds, repeating it twice, to ensure maximum effectiveness. It is also important to note that stretching for less than 20 seconds will have minimal impact and may not yield desired results. In conclusion, these therapeutic exercises combined with the targeted stretches aim to alleviate the radiating pain associated with sciatica. By incorporating them into your routine, you can bring relief to this debilitating condition. Physio advice: please avoid doing these exercises if your pain worsens. It's just common sense. I frequently hear people asking if this cream can be used by pregnant women. Fortunately, it can. This cream has undergone scientific testing and is considered safe for pregnant women. To effectively address your sciatica pain, it's important to accurately diagnose the source and then engage in appropriate exercises and therapies. However, I can assure you that using a small amount of this cream, along with a massage gun and therapeutic exercises, will greatly alleviate your sciatica discomfort. Your sciatic pain. Relief, I say. That many times, you do nothing and you continue with that pain for months. Before we go, if you want to try this cream, in your usual pharmacy. Even so, I leave you a link in the description of the video where you can buy it online. Guys, if you found the content enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, as many have claimed it's even better than a workout for relieving sciatica pain. Make sure to enable notifications, which will alert you when we upload new videos. Until healing and beyond. Farewell. Adieu.